Hi, welcome to a introduction on how to run reports in Evergreen. We're going to run a report based on a template that we've created to weed items based on their status change date. So to get started, we click on Reports, and this is a report that's been shared, so we have to go to our Shared folder template. And within that file folder, we're going to pick E. Davis and Collection. And then we have a few to choose from, so the one that we want is weeding for available items based on status change date by circ modifier with date. And then as you can see in the description, it's going to tell us all the things that the report is going to list. Okay, put our little check mark in our box and select create a new report from selected template and hit submit. So the first few columns list weeding, the name of the report, the creator, the description, and then it asks for a report name. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to say fiction, weeding, and then you can put in your description and say whatever you'd like, however you wish to describe it. The next row is going to explain what exactly is going to be in your output of your report. So it's going to list the owning library, the copy status of the item, the shelving location, the call number, the title, the item barcode, and then the date in which it had changed last. And so copy status meaning specifically that copy of the book item or record, and if it went, say, from available to checked out, that would be a copy status change. Or from stacks, from available to lost or missing. The next set of information needed is where you want the report to be stored. So I have one created for circulation items. The next set of information is going to be the bulk of your report. So we need to know the owning library. So in this case it's items that the Albright Memorial Library holds. And the next column is going to ask for the call number. So you need to know the call number of the items that you're looking for. So in this case we're doing fiction, so I'm going to type in the call number range that I want. And make sure you're specific, so if the spine label on your items that you're looking for is in all caps and it spells out the word fiction, make sure you do that so that it searches correctly. For the next set, you need to know where in the library it's shelved, so it's shelving location. And in this case, we're going to look for stacks, because that's where we store all of our fiction that I'm looking for. You can add multiple shelving locations by just selecting and clicking add for each one. The call number, the copy status change time, so when was the time before which you want the items. So in this case I want items that have not changed status since August 1st, 2013. And then I want to pick the circulation modifier. So what type of items? I want books in this case. The next set is your output option. So I want the option of an Excel, and I do want to see the HTML output. In this case it's not numbers, so I don't need a bar chart. The next set is to set if you want it to recur, which you can say I want this to recur every 10 days, or you can just have it run once. I can have it run as soon as possible by keeping that checked, or I want it to run tomorrow and set the date and time. You can put in your email address to have it sent to you via your email, and then you pick your output folder for where it's stored, so if you need to find it again. You click Save Report, and you'll see that your report has been successful. If you get an error message, it will tell you which information that you've missed. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please contact your SPARC contact at your library if you need a copy of this template or have any other questions. Thank you.